name is Chance Hoover. I'm the VP of Operations at Quest Industries. I'm going to be telling you about how injection molding got started at Quest. So about 15 years ago, we were building a lot of injection mold tooling for various customers. We had no way of sampling in-house, so we had to send our program managers and our mold makers outside to sample these tools, validate them, and then eventually ship to our customers. We seen a need to add injection molding here internally. So what we did was we added a Cincinnati Millicron 500 ton, and that got us started. We hired our first process tech, and then with the help of myself, we decided to start trying out as many tools as we could inside our own building. From there, our customer demand started to switch. Rather than just trying out the tools, they seen a need for us to start running some low volume and prototype runs for them. With that, we needed to add more molding equipment. So what we did was we added a 250 ton, a 165 ton, and an 85 ton Millicron. This would cover all tonnage ranges for the size molds that we were building internally at the time, and got us basically started with injection molding.
We witnessed a 200% increase in sales year to year, part of which consists of standard injection molding, when we do everything up to insert over molding as well as hand transfer two-shot. With all the changes to the department, this drove a requirement for additional personnel, including a dedicated department manager, a new plastics engineer, multiple operators, etc., as well as certifications to accommodate our customer needs as sales grew.
In the last couple years, our plastics department has grown steadily. We have been staying on top of all of our certifications to help properly handle and satisfy all the customer requirements. To make sure that we stay on top of quality, we've hired a dedicated plastics quality manager. She is helping train our staff and make sure that she keeps an eye on things before they go out the door. On top of that, we've also hired 2 more process techs, multiple operators, and myself as a plastics engineer to help ensure part quality and timing and efficiencies on parts going out the door.
So as Jeremy mentioned, with the new certifications, including ITF and the new personnel, we had everything in place to become a full-blown injection molding house for that department alone. But we needed a serious equipment upgrade. So what we ended up doing was getting rid of our 500 ton, our original molding machine, and last fall we purchased 3 new Crosman-5 injection molding machines. An 81 ton, a 250 ton, which are both electric, and then a 350 ton. So with these new changes, we were basically able to run around the clock, ensuring part quality, and our schedule was being met. After we implemented these molding machines, we quickly realized that we needed to invest in automation. So the molding machines were not enough to keep up with customer demand. So what we ended up doing was purchasing a Yushin overhead robot, a 6-axis robot for our 350 ton, and that got our foot in the door with automation. We also put a sprue picker on our 81 ton, and we plan to do more automation as we grow. With the purchase of the new equipment and the automation cells, this allowed us to basically reorganize the entire department. So we had more efficient stream of basically raw material going in and finished product going out. To do this though, we had to remove our maintenance department to make room for automation and high-low access. With all the changes that we've implemented in the molding department, it went from a service added value to our customers to an actual profitable department at Quest, now being the 3rd largest department inside of Quest Industries. We plan to expand into rotary 2-shot machines. We would have 3 bays of dedicated injection molding along with warehousing. This would allow us to further expand our injection molding and better serve our customers in the future. So in conclusion, injection molding started out as basically just a way to validate our tooling, and it has now become a profitable department at Quest that we plan to expand in the future.